I conduct workshops on Copilot for lots of customers. And in the process, I have noticed a very common mistake. People are using Copilot in the wrong place and in the wrong way. So I'll show you the right way and explain why that matters. We use Copilot in, let's say, Outlook app or inside the Teams app. We also have a Copilot app. The problem is, whenever you have any app, it doesn't get updated very often, typically 3 to 6 months, depending on IT policies. Usually that doesn't matter, but in case of Copilot, it matters. Here is why. Since Microsoft released or launched Copilot a couple of years back, they have added 366 new features. 83 are rolling out as we speak as of today, which is 6 June 26, and almost 300 are in development. Now, most people have not got many of these features because their app is not updated. It is in my interest to get the features as soon as they are released so that I can benefit from them. Why delay the process? So, you understood the problem. Let me show you the solution. The correct way to use Copilot is to go to browser, Edge browser, because both are Microsoft, they work better. Go to a new tab and go to office.com. When you go to this link, it'll ask you to sign in if you haven't done so before. And once you sign in, you will see Copilot. This is the browser version of Copilot, and this is always updated. As soon as Microsoft releases a new feature, it comes here. So that's why use browser version of Copilot. And the same rule applies to Office apps. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, we have all of them installed on the PC. They seem to have a Copilot. Agreed. But the same problem applies here as well. So if I go to File, New, in desktop version of PowerPoint, this is how it looks. Remember. Now, in order to compare this, I'm going to first open PowerPoint on the browser. First, you go to Copilot Chat. In that, Apps button, 9 dots. Click on that. You may or may not see Word, Excel, PowerPoint here, but certainly you will see more apps. Click on that. Now you will see all the familiar apps. I'm going to open PowerPoint, 3 dots, open in new tab. It has a special option called Create with Copilot. On the desktop side, it is still File New, but I don't see that particular option. Another example. In the desktop version, when I open this auto drop down, I get a lot of models. There are image models also available. Let's compare these with the image models on the browser. There is Microsoft AI Image 2.5 on the browser, and on the desktop, it is Image 2. So I can show you hundreds of such differences, but you get the idea. So now, when you're working on Copilot, whether it is in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, chat, whatever it is, open that app on the browser and you get all the new features. Many people think if I use the products on browser, yes, I'm getting Copilot new features, but as far as features of Excel, Word, PowerPoint are concerned, obviously the desktop product has many more features. So here it is. The same file open simultaneously on the desktop app on the left side, browser on the right side. So use Copilot on the browser and use desktop features on the desktop version. This file is stored on OneDrive. So whatever I do in one place will of course reflect almost live in the other place. So this is called best of both worlds. Using best practices like this, I help customers transform their efficiency using Copilot and Microsoft platform. If you would like me to work with your organization, my contact details are in the description. So please try it out, give me feedback, share it with everyone around you. Of course, like the video and subscribe to the channel. So that's it for now. See you soon in another video. Thank you for watching.